This is a recap of the first trade I took in the FTMO challenge. I took it on EURCAD on Sunday evening, my time here in the Pacific time. So I was trading this pair on the down direction. I was looking to capture the trends on the 4-hour and 1-hour charts. So they were about to break out, and I tried to capture an entry edge on the 5-minute time frame. I'll show you the exact entries that I took. So at about 16:35 my time, it broke out of the previous support at the 1.3173 level. I took a sell here with about 30 pips of stop loss. The price did continuously break out throughout the beginning of the Sydney and Tokyo sessions. However, I had to exit with essentially a break-even trade right about here at 1900 hours. The reason for this was the breakout kind of failed right here. It broke the counter trend line upwards. I had already moved my stop loss to break even at this point. So previously, I moved this yellow line with 30 pips of risk down to right here, which is essentially right at my entry. It ended up getting hit on this one pin bar right here, so I exited the trade with 1 pip gains. The market continued to range for the rest of the Tokyo session. I was watching it up until the opening of the London session, where again it looked like it was going to break out. There was some volatility on the open, and then I went to bed, so I did not capture the second breakout entry. But in retrospect, looking back, there was a pretty nice move down for all of the London and New York sessions on July 11th. I think it moved about 110 pips total. So yeah, if you measure from my original entry, it was about 94 pips into the New York close, and now going to the Sydney and Tokyo sessions, it's down another 120 pips. So had I stayed with this trade, I would have been in profit, but I had to exit. So I will look for the next opportunity.